Good morning, everybody. So one of the criticisms I've always had about my industry is that insurance does a really good job of talking about products, but a really poor job talking about what you need them for and how to make sure it's the right one for you. Ironically enough, that's the questions I've been getting from my clients lately, namely, how do I know which life insurance is right for me and how do I know how much I need? So the entire purpose of this video is to help give you a couple of tips and tricks to get you thinking about needs, not just products. So when it comes to life insurance, start with asking yourself the question, if I don't come home from work today, financially, how does that impact my people? Your spouse, your children, your business, your partners, whoever's financially dependent upon you, how does that impact them? For some, if you're a family and you have children, you might be responsible for some of your family's bills. You will probably have to financially assist your spouse in raising children or paying off things like the mortgage. So those are immediate things and easy things to think of if I don't come home, how do those get paid for? The next question to ask is, how much do I need? Well, work backwards. If you are contributing 50% of your family's expenses, then you probably want a policy that will pay you over a certain period of time that part of your expenses. This is how this comes into raising children. If you and your spouse want to financially support your kids till they're 25, then you might want a 25 or a 30-year term policy to replace your income. If your concern is debt, which is typically a 25 or 30-year mortgage or a 5 to 10-year business loan, then maybe consider a policy that'll take care of the magnitude of that debt for the period of that debt. Again, need versus amount. Oftentimes, the need is not temporary, it's permanent, and we use like long-term care hybrid policies to solve a lot of our permanent needs here. Maybe the financial need that you and your spouse have is protecting your financial plan and your assets against a nursing home or long-term care expenses. So that might be solved with a permanent policy. But again, stay away from products here, think about needs. So if we go back to the beginning, what happens if you don't come home? How long you have that need for and the magnitude of that need. Write it down. Talk about it with your spouse. Don't do this in isolation. And as always, when you're ready to talk products or refine your need, call an advisor. That's what we get paid for. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Have a great week, everybody.